The World Rabies Day 2024 was observed in Shillong yesterday with the theme Breaking Rabies Boundaries. The observation of the program assumes significance as 27 fatal rabies cases have been reported in Meghalaya in the last 2 years. Speaking on the occasion, the MD of NHM, Ram Kumar S, said there were more than 90,000 dog bite cases in the state in the last 1 year. Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Minister A.L. Hegg said that the department is leaving no stone unturned to fight the menace and they will ensure that there are zero rabies cases in the state.
And the theme for this, then apply any antiseptic.
Under MHIS, Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme, dog bite is one of the top most used packages in the entire state. The data came in 2021 itself, which showed us that how serious the matter is actually. We thought it was actually not being utilized, something else was being utilized under the name of dog bites, but when we actually looked into it, dog bite was a very serious issue.
Are entirely preventable. Vaccinations and timely medical intervention can save life. Unfortunately, one of the biggest challenges in rabies control is the under-reporting of cases, which hamper the efforts of the mobilized resources across the department to control the disease in animals and prevent the human fatalities.